Well, I don't know about you, but I opened up the envelope lately and I saw this. Car insurance rates have gone up 25% this year.
I mean,
I'm like, whoa.
Did we ask for this?
No, we did not.
No, but we did ask for finance professor Dan Roccato to come in and explain this along with some ways to save. Hey, Dan.
Hey guys, we're all gonna be riding horses to work. Forget these cars.
Right? I mean, can we afford the horse instead of the car? So can you explain what's behind the spike in car insurance?
Yeah, and we've all noticed it, as you said, up more than 25% on average. The average driver pays about $2,500 a year for her ride. Listen, cars are more complicated, right? So they're more expensive to fix. Have you looked under your Tesla lately? I mean, it looks like a computer game, right? So the reality is if these cars get damaged, it costs a lot. The insurance companies pay a lot. Therefore, what do? They raise our premiums. Labor to fix those cars, that's also more expensive. So all in, it means that you and I are paying more to ride our cars.
Okay, so give us some ways we can try and cut this down, because I need some tools I can start using.
Yeah, all of us do, right? Number one, shop around. The single best thing we can do, studies show, when we shop around at least once a year for different premiums, that we can save money that way. In other words, don't just set it and forget it. Increase your deductible. Maybe you've got a $250 deductible. If you can afford to go to $500, that'll save you some money. I signed up for auto pay. They dinged my account once a month for my auto insurance. I saved a little bit there. And look for discounts, AAA discounts, senior citizen discounts, good student discounts. They're out there, but you really need to ask your insurance company about them. They may not offer them to you. You kind of have to be a little bit more aggressive on that one, I think.
All right, so Dan, what are some ways that we can create significant savings in like the overall yearly cost?
Yeah, so the ones I just mentioned, you'll save a few bucks, but maybe not a whole bunch. How about this? Change your vehicle. And I know this hurts here in Texas because, you know, we love our pickup trucks, but they're expensive rides. So instead of going with a $75,000 tricked up truck, maybe it's that four-door sedan. I hate to say that to you, but boring is always better when it comes to how much you're going to pay. Bundle your insurance. Bundle your car policy with your home policy, your renter's policy. That'll save you some money, about 5%. And here's one, clean up those violations. Now, I know you guys don't have any, but speeding tickets, DUIs, things like that, they just kill your car insurance premium. So go take a remedial class, do whatever you need to do, but get those off your record. Get into that ride, and we won't be riding horses. We'll be able to go back to our cars.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Because, you know, being outside in Houston, it just doesn't always work in the heat on a horse.
No, but I'll tell you what, the hats look great, though.
Yeah, the hat. Thank you, Dan. Appreciate it. All right. Well, appreciate all the tips. Definitely
Thanks, guys.
save
Take
some
care.
money.